look at the tradable universe and what is it that our chartists are pegging out on. Kunal, let's start off with you. Any chartbuster that you've identified?
So it's a mid-cap name, Aishan. It's on Aarti Industries, something which I've been recommending over the last few weeks, and specifically at a point when the stock has confirmed a breakout from the daily charts towards the weekly and the monthly time frame. Now, the interesting bit over here for Aarti Industries is after months of correction for the stock, as you can see, the stock forming a pattern of lower highs for itself from the relative previous highs every time around. We've seen for the first time that the stock has given a bullish breakout, breaking past above the previous highs. Now, in the process of doing that, the stock has formed a multiple bottom pattern over here. This was the zone around 450 odd mark where the stock took a lot of support. This was the zone of extreme demand. And what changed for the stock price was this jump in volume. As you can see, that the stock price had seen a major jump or shift in terms of volumes, something which the stock had not seen in the last so many months of correction. And that's changed the direction for the stock price. So I believe that the stock looks very attractive. This is a sign of a strong breakout and an end of a major downtrend for the stock, as well as a major chunk of volumes moving up higher. I strongly believe that the stock should be good enough for at least a breakout towards 600 to 650 mark, possibly in the next few weeks.
Right. Nooresh, what's the chartbuster that you've identified?
So that's a chart for LIC Housing Finance. The stock, after making a strong base around 300, 320 a couple of times, or rather more in the last 1 year, had a lot of resistance around 440. It broke out in August, September, made a move to 480, then retested that 440 levels a couple of times and made a triangle formation. And now finally the stock has broken out of this triangle, a clean breakout with good volumes. So out here would expect a move towards the previous highs in 2021 of around 540 in the short term. Stop loss at 460, a buy at current levels, add on dips.
Let's talk some tradable ideas too. Kunal, on your list?
So two buy calls, HDFC Life as the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. The stock is heading towards a breakout yet again. So 710 is a target for HDFC Life, stop loss at 665. And Ipca Lab is the other stock which has confirmed a breakout on the longer term charts, about 1050 mark, currently trading at 11 plus mark. So targets of 1155, stop loss at 1102.
Right. And Nooresh, what about your strategies?
So first is a buy on Axis Bank, a good breakout here, stop loss at 1040, target price of 1120. Second is a buy on Canfin Homes, that is also setting up for a breakout about 780.85, stop loss at 770, target price of 820.
Okay.